Victoria, tell us, who do you have for our pet of the week who needs that forever home?
Hey, Amanda. So here we have Sarah. Sarah's ready to be the apple of your eye and the poet of your heart, to quote a good Fleetwood Mac song. If you'd like to learn more about Sarah, she's on our website, but she is about 9 years old. So she's a little bit older, but as we know, small dogs live forever. So she's definitely got a couple more years left, and she'd love to spend them with you. She's super low key. She loves being held. Her history with other pets is unknown, so of course we always recommend slow and careful introductions with any of your resident pets. And if you're just looking for a lady to stroll around the parking lot or your neighborhood, then she's just going to be the one for you. So again, you can read more about Sarah on our website at thehumanesociety.org. And of course, Sarah and all of our pets are going to come home with their spay neuter surgeries already done, a microchip with national registration, their flea medicine, initial vaccines. You're going to get some pet care counseling, a complimentary vet visit, and more. So come on down. We're open every day from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. at 2608 Center Street in Tacoma.